Have you ever wondered if using Zippay to make purchases could hurt your credit score? There's a lot of misinformation out there, so let's dive into the truth. Zippay is a popular buy now, pay later (BNPL) service that allows you to make purchases and pay them off in installments. It can be a convenient way to spread out payments for larger purchases, but there's a concern that it could negatively impact your credit score. Understanding credit scores. Before we dive into Zippay, let's quickly understand how credit scores work. Credit scores are calculated based on various factors, including payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and new credit. Positive factors like making payments on time and keeping your credit utilization low can boost your score, while negative factors like missing payments or having high credit utilization can lower it. How Zippay reports to credit bureaus. Zippay does report your payment history to the major credit bureaus. This means that if you make your payments on time, it can positively impact your credit score. However, if you miss payments or default on your Zippay account, it can negatively affect your credit score. Factors affecting your credit score. While Zippay reporting can impact your credit score, it's not the only factor. Other factors like your overall payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history also play a significant role. If you have a strong credit history and manage your finances responsibly, the impact of Zippay on your credit score may be minimal. Benefits of using Zippay. Zippay can offer several benefits, including interest-free financing. If you pay off your balance in full within the interest-free period, you won't incur any interest charges. Flexible payment options. You can choose a payment plan that suits your budget and repayment preferences. Convenient shopping experience. Zippay can simplify the checkout process and allow you to make larger purchases without upfront costs. Potential risks. While Zippay can be a convenient tool, there are also potential risks to consider. Late fees and interest charges. If you miss payments or don't pay off your balance in full within the interest-free period, you may incur late fees and interest charges. Debt accumulation. If you're not careful, using Zippay can lead to debt accumulation, which can negatively impact your financial health. Tips for using Zippay responsibly. To minimize the risks and maximize the benefits of using Zippay, consider the following tips. Use Zippay responsibly. Only use Zippay for purchases you can afford to pay off within the interest-free period. Make payments on time. Always make your payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Monitor your credit score. Regularly check your credit score to ensure it's not being affected negatively by your Zippay usage. Consider alternatives. If you're concerned about the potential risks of Zippay, explore other financing options such as credit cards or personal loans. Is Zippay bad for your credit rating? The answer is not a simple yes or no. While Zippay does report to credit bureaus, the impact on your credit score depends on various factors, including your overall financial habits and how you manage your Zippay account. If you use Zippay responsibly and make your payments on time, it can be a convenient and beneficial tool. However, if you're not careful, it can lead to debt accumulation and negatively impact your credit score. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Zippay is up to you. By understanding the potential risks and benefits and using Zippay responsibly, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.